Buy list settings, guided flow. Once you have built your buy list, you can now customize this to your liking to make order raising easier. Click Catalogs. Click Buy Lists. Search for the buy list you want to adjust the settings for. Click the View icon. Click the Catalog Supplier Choices tab. Here, you can limit the number of suppliers that can quote on this buy list. By default, all suppliers are able to quote on buy lists. If none of the checkboxes are ticked, all suppliers are enabled. As soon as one or more checkbox is ticked, these become the only supplier able to quote on this buy list. The black catalogs allows you to blacklist certain departments from seeing your buy list. Go back to the Cataloged Products tab by clicking on the tab. You can also limit which supplier quotes on individual items across your account. Click on the cog icon. Untick the supplier you don't want to quote on this item. You may want to do this due to previous quality or supply issues. Click the X to close the pop-up. To arrange the products on your buy list in a specific order, click the Custom Sorted checkbox, hit Enter on your keyboard and then refresh your browser page. Click Sort to start arranging your products. Note, this will only appear if you custom sort ticked in the top header and have hit Enter on your keyboard to apply the changes. A page refresh may be required depending on your browser. Go back to the Cataloged Products tab by clicking on the tab. You can also apply a purchaser product code, internal reference, to products. Click in the column, input the code and hit Enter on your keyboard to save. This makes products more easily searchable when raising a requisition. For example, in a wine buy list, you may want to apply subcategories as your purchaser product code. Red, white, rose, spark, champ. Click Print to print a tick sheet copy of your buy list. You can also export your buy lists. This is useful when a formal supplier would like to quote for your most frequently purchased items. Giving them this export supplies them with your product's unique purchase plus product ID so that they can add these to their catalog. The export will display as open or processing while it is generating in the background. Refresh your browser after a few seconds. Click on the file name to download the export file. You can then save this to a network drive to back up your buy list. You have completed this task.